I'm Freeze a bird. Central Park bird. What kind of bird are you?
Oriole? You go eat a what? Right. You wouldn't eat the cracker.
He didn't want that piece.
It was a great.
He comes running to it, but he didn't try any of them yet.
Maybe only eats first.
He just looked at it. Oh wait. He's like, that's not my food.
Crackers? Mm-hmm. Did he eat it? Yep. Sure did. I think he did. Yes, he did. I think he looked at it.
He's waddling. He waddles.
Waddle.
He's a little
Can I
scavenger.
just tell you my ass is wet?
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look at his wings. Look at his wings.
I think
Oh, look. Oh, yes. I got it on tape.
Bird's doing it.
Oh, they're mating. They're mating. That is the boy. The one walking around with his wings out. He's going, look at me. I'm a man bird. He's strutting his stuff.
He's like, look at my poops on my shoulder.
That was cool.
And you got it on tape? In Central Park.
And nature in Central Park.
Like a bird watching club in the city, actually, like in the path of all the migrating birds.
That is awesome.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I'm afraid to turn this off. Okay, Birdie, I'm turning this off. Bye bye.
Why?
Look, wait, he's still strutting.
They have new stores opening up. No, it's actually good. Oh. Because you want to get rid of them, or? Well, there's a few that.
Where's your girlfriend? There she is.
Yeah. Well, when they're all together.
There's your girlfriend.
High school. And, you know, just there's a lot of crap that there's no professionalism.
Go get her. Go get her, Tiger.
Matt and I were talking about it today, because I really think I'm ready to go.
Aw, your girlfriend is gone.
I know you are.